tower of Dimapur. Hi guys, so I am heading to Truly Bangkok. I am here in Dimapur and my very good little baby sister is driving me around to Dimapur. So let's go shopping. I know you want shopping, just let's see what's in the store out there. If you wished to go shopping to Bangkok, cry no more, cause this is Truly Bangkok. All you have to do is enter the store and voila, you are already in Bangkok. Before I go further, kindly do subscribe to my channel. This store is 5 years old and it's running very well. It's quite a hit, people love it, and you will understand why when you see this. They have Instagram page where you can check out the items, shop for it, colorful hairbands, name the colors, and it's there. Most of the stuff is brought all the way from Bangkok itself. As per season, the collection gets updated. The store is spacious and has interesting stuffs. Wow, a black gown. Is this not pretty? It is very pretty. Check out the earrings. The eyelashes. I have to try it too. Have you seen this lens? It looks like it has all the colors. Maybe I should try this blue colored lens and a new set of masks. Well, how do you shop? I don't know how you do it, but this is exactly how I usually browse for clothes. First, a good scan and then the selection, because when there are so many options, it becomes difficult to select. And as I say, until you try the clothes on, you don't know how it will look on you. I am doing the fast scan. Well, what do they have here? Light sweaters, bottom slippers, and me browsing away. Let me try some florals. Yellow floral, aha, not so bad. I'm taking a feel of the dress by wearing it for some more time. The prices are reasonable. When you start, you just can't stop trying now. A blue jumpsuit, and here I am trying a pink coat. This will be good for semi-formal. I can carry for both formals and casuals too. Now for the most interesting part. I've always been obsessed with wigs. They have a huge collection of different varieties of wigs. She's showing me how to make my hair have more volume. If you just add a bunch of it, there you have it, all healthy. This was the first time for both of us trying out different look, a hair bun too. Since both of our hair were colored, the bun being in black, it didn't match much. The hair extension should also be near to the color of our hair texture. And we just couldn't control our excitement trying out new stuffs. It was fun. We had a good time laughing out as everything looked kind of weird for a new look. And without a selfie, the day isn't complete.
So I shopped here at Truly Bangkok, and this is so wonderful. You have a wonderful collection. They don't have collection for kids though. My sister wanted something for their children. Anyway, this is so nice. This is a must-visit place. If you're passing by Dimapur, you should surely come here to Truly Bangkok here in Nagaland state.